There are many plants that you can put into your garden, but none so popular with the bumblebees as this. Echinops Ritro, the globe thistle. And look at how many bumblebees are just tucking in. It's so beautiful to see. Now, bees have enhanced photoreceptors, which means they can see UV light, so they prefer colours like purple and blues, which is certainly doing the job, attracting them in here. And things like lavenders and rosemary and chives and oregano and sage and a whole host of others. Even with the racket of the tree surgeons doing some work over at the back, you can just see how many beautiful bees are completely ignoring it and getting tucked into a decent bit of grub. Go on, fill your boots.